Hello everyone! Before I start my video, I want to say Happy Merry Christmas to everyone that is watching my video, and I hope you're having a wonderful time with your family and friends. Today I've decided to record a short video about introduction of a qualification called ATT. ATT stands for Association of Taxation Technicians, and it's quite popular qualification who wants to study towards finance, who wants to progress towards taxation in UK, and it offers a variety of jobs. I would say in any accounting practice, as well as like taxation assistant, or compliance services. So it's quite beneficial to have this qualification. And I just want to take you through my experience in ATT, and I am currently not fully qualified. So I'm just want to give you a kind of idea of where ATT takes you to. In order to complete the qualification, you need to be able to pass two essential papers, paper 1 and paper 2, which is personal and business taxation. Then next step will be taking 3 computer-based exams, and the last step is taking one of the 6 papers, which is paper 3, 4, or 5, or 6. It's up to you, whichever you feel like is suitable in your situation. And before you actually take in the exams, you need to register yourself into a membership, which is currently, I believe, cost around £190, but it's valid for 5 years. So once you complete your register for qualification, ATT, you do get a number, just like the same way as you would get for AAT. And whenever you decide to book an exam, you go online and obviously you choose your papers and book it online. Currently, it costs around the paper 1 to paper 6, around £190 per paper. However, the computer-based exams only £100. But like I said, it's up to you how many times you'll be able to pass it. So if you fail, don't think it's over. You can always retake the exam, but just do remember that it's only held twice a year, so you have to be able to retake your exam 6 months after. I would advise to people to be diligent during exam booking. As we know, the taxation year changes in April, so the new taxation rules will be introduced in April. Therefore, our exams is held in May, so we have only a month to prepare for the exam. However, we will also have an opportunity to resit the same exam in case we are not successful in November. So this will give us an opportunity to test ourselves twice within the same year. Compulsory computer-based exams are law, professional responsibilities and ethics, as well as principles of accounting. There is an exemption for people who have accounting background. So in case if you have studied AAT or you have any background accounting with accounting degree, you're not asked to take exam for those, as you would be exempt. There is another option called taxation pathway, and that costs £355, I believe. And this is also 5 years register, but this is only in case if you want to complete your ATT and you want to go towards to CTA, which is Chartered Taxation Analyst. So it's completely up to you which pathway you want to choose, whether you want to carry on towards higher degree or you want to just carry on working. So this is why to choices has been introduced. So in case if you want to set your exam, let's say in 2024, and we do know that it's only held twice a year, so I would want to give you an advice to be very careful when you're booking your exams. So as we know in UK, taxation year changes April to April. So if, for example, you're preparing for May exam, obviously you have only a month to prepare for it. However, you will also have an opportunity to take the same exam in November or in May 2025. So please be more careful when you're decided what date you want to pick your exam for, because in case if you don't pass and you want to do a second attempt, you do not need to have whole study books refreshed. As we know, because the tax year changes, so even though the formula stays as the same, but the amounts that we apply into the formulas will be changing per taxation year. There is also something called deferring exam in case if you cannot attempt to your exams. Let's say you have health issues, or the circumstances are not the same when you first time booked the exam. You can always defer it for a year after. There are a couple of course providers that offers materials, resources, and manuals for ATT qualifications. One of them is UK TOLE. The other one is Kaplan and BPP. I personally went with UK TOLE because I thought they were around quite a long time, and I found their resources, the materials quite straightforward and easy to digest. However, as a cost-wise, I wouldn't advise you to go with them, as it's one of the most expensive course providers. So it's just up to you, whichever is suitable for you and you would want to go with, or it suits with your timing or you with your situation. For example, in my case, I had to think about whether it's compatible with my work hours and my family situation. So I've done only one paper and I've left it because I jumped on doing another qualification, AAT. So it's just, it's not obliged to do all qualification one go. So it's up to you whether you want to do it within one go within the same year, or do you want to do only 1-2 papers and leave and do the rest later on. Thank you so much, guys, for watching my video. I hope you found my video quite helpful and useful in your journey pathway towards taxation. I look forward to making more videos about paper 1 and paper 2, but this time I'll be going through each chapters and explaining all the formulas and trying to put them into calculations on exam questions that you might be coming across throughout your exam. And meanwhile, if you have any questions and you would want me to go through something, please kindly comment below. I will try to reply all of them, and hopefully can discuss these questions on my next videos. And I will see you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye.